let's talk about the Nike Air Max Scorpion Barely Vote. If you like these shoes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. It's your boy Trey Dub, and I'm back with another banger. Let's go. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Your boy got them for $110. Man, I can't believe it. Boys hitting me up in the comment section saying they got them for $110. I'm like, I got them too for $110. Shit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even know nothing about them, about it until my partner texted me and said, man, these going for $137. So I said, shit, that ain't bad. But I just got those 12 Brilliant Orange. I got those coming in. We'll talk about that later. And I had got some more shoes, and I'm like, damn, $137 plus tax, that'll be probably close to $150. So I'm like, damn, let me go on there because that ain't bad, $137. So I went on there, threw them hoes in the cart, and I say, well, let me try to Google a promo code. Let me see if I can find a promo code. I couldn't find a promo code on Google nowhere. So I seen something on checkout said promo code EARLY, EARLY. I typed it in, early, and it knocked off 20%. So it came down from 137 to 110. So I went back on to see if that promo code still worked. It doesn't work, but they still going for 137. Your boy got these when they first came out. Y'all go back, look at my old video. I was hot as fish grease, man. I was pissed off because I'm like, man, I bought these shoes for $250. You got J's cost $200, look way better than these. Well, they J's, but you know, for $250, that's too much. And I really wanted them. And I tried them on, and I got them a size 11.5. That's my size. But these shoes fit small. So now your boy got them size 12, all right? But for $250, yeah, I took them back, got my money back. With the tax, it was like $270, $273. Let's go ahead and get started, all right? Oh yeah, and your boy still sipping. Ciroc. Cheers. All right, let's go. All right, here we go. That's it, y'all. That's it. Size 12. Size 12. Ooh, that fly knit material is clean. It's clean. It's clean. I got my money's worth, y'all. For $110 with tax, $119. Your boy got his money worth, man. Even if y'all go in there and get them for $137, it's not bad. Here go the extra shoestrings. Look at that. Yeah, so they put extra shoestrings in there. But that's it. That's it, y'all. Damn. Now I can say they clean. Cause for $250, nah, they wasn't all that for $250. $110, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So let's go ahead and go over the shoe right quick. Look at the air unit. I mean, that's what you're paying for, the air bubble. You know what I'm saying? Look at the bottom of it. It look like it's all one unit. And these are not comfortable like the Vapor Max Plus. Those are my favorite Vapor Max. You know what I'm saying? Those are my favorite Air Max. But these right here, they remind me of the 720 Air Max. All right. So the colorway is all right. I mean, for what I paid for it, it's all right. It ain't like the all black one. You know, the black go with anything. And I don't think they'll never drop the price on those all black ones. You know. But these right here, y'all, these are fire. Go on there. They still have sizes available. You know what I'm saying? Let's count how many Nike checks we have on the shoe. We have a Nike check right here on the outer side, a Nike check on the inner side of the shoe. You have a Nike check right here, toe box area. Let's see. No Nike check at the bottom. No Nike check on the insole. You have a Nike check on the tag, but we ain't counting that. So I see 3 Nike checks. Oh, 4 Nike checks. There's one right here. One right there. Yeah. So that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't see one. Oh, 5. Nike check right there. Heel area. See that? Nike check right there. So that's 5. And right here on the tongue, it says something. It says Air Max. It says Air Max right there on the tongue. Right there. We'll head it that way. Air Max. Hard to see. But yeah, it says Air Max. You know what'll be dope? If this shoe glow in the dark, man. That'll be dope. But yeah, man, y'all go on Nike and they have sizes available. Let's go try these shoes on. Let's go. All right. I gotta say, I'm happy that I got these in size 12. I highly recommend y'all go half size up. These shoes look good on feet. They feel good on feet. And again, for $137, if you can't find no promo code, it's still worth it. It's still worth it, man. So I'm very, very happy with this purchase. The shoe is something different. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.